Hey everyone, today I'm going to just unbox a couple of new items I picked up. One is a laptop cooling pad and the other is a new mouse pad. So stay tuned and we'll take a look at them. Welcome back everyone. So now that we're kind of working from home a lot more, I've been using my laptops a lot more, and I decided to pick up a new cooling pad and a mouse pad. In fact, my previous mouse pad was just kind of a regular one, and I came across these items on eBay, and they were discounted and the prices seemed really good, so I decided to pick them up. I actually don't recall how much they cost, but maybe I'll leave it in the comments. But yeah, these just arrived today. I just took them out of the box, and as you can see, here's the mouse pad. It's by CM Storm, and here is the laptop cooling pad, and it's made by a company called Vantec. And I kind of looked at reviews, and I saw reviews on the Lapcool 3 and Lapcool 2. I'm hoping 4 is just as good, but yeah, I believe it has some good features on it. So this laptop cooling pad is going to be used for my 13-inch Lenovo X230. It's a smaller laptop. It's not like my 17.5-inch one. So, I don't mind if it's going to be a little small. But it does have 2 fans. It has a USB outlet. And you can adjust the fan speed. Let's see if I can bring this up and show you. So yeah, it has like a bunch of USB outlets. Oh, that's awesome. It has an 8-in-1 card reader. That's actually really cool. I mean, both my laptops have card readers, so I guess it's not so much of a benefit, but still. And then adjustable fan speed. They're all 2.0 USB ports. And here's some specs about it. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. All right, it seems to be. So it comes pretty well packaged, as you can see. Oh, so it is actually very small and pretty thin too. This is all, it actually has an installation driver. Look at that, installation driver for Windows 98. Okay. And it has a bunch of cords. So we got like a USB to micro USB, and a USB to like a power plug, and here's a power adapter. So let's take a look at this. So it feels pretty solid. It feels great, and it looks like it has feet over here. Okay, so let's take a look at the back first. So this is the back. Let's see what we have here. So we've got a lot of slots, which I am not even sure what they are. I know what the the card reader is, and then there's 3 others. And then the USBs, a USB in, the micro USB, I'm guessing that's to connect your computer to it, and then the power one. Alright, so I'm guessing the second, so this is for an external power source. This is if you want to run the fan off your own computer, so you'll get your USB to power source. I'm probably not going to do that though. And then this is basically to hook up your computer to be able to use like all these other features on it, like the USB ports and everything, which, you know, I think it's going to be handy, because my X20 actually only has two USB ports, so this would give me like 3 more, which would be useful. Now this is the bottom of it. We got legs, and from the look of it, does this expand out? Oh, it does. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, look at that. So this is totally going to fit my laptop now. So it has these little flip up things, and I'm wondering if this is probably to keep your laptop from sliding around, which is a great feature. This is actually really good for what I paid for it. I'm actually pretty impressed. I mean, of course I have to plug it in and see how well it runs, but all right, so so yeah, they charged me $10 for shipping of this, but the item itself cost $2.99. So I'm going to just put them together, because I definitely don't think this is worth $3. It's definitely more than that. So let's say I paid $13 for this. I think it's definitely worth $13. I mean, I'm going to definitely plug it in, and in fact, let's just do that now. Let's just see how the fans run. All right, so I'm just gonna get this power cable out. Got a side of it right here. I probably should have looked at the side, but there is an on-off switch. Oh gosh, I spent a little bit of time searching for that. But yeah, all right. So let's try that again. Okay, plugged in. We're gonna plug this into where it says power, and now we're going to turn on the side. There we go. So you probably can't hear the fans, and they are very quiet. I can't see them really revolving that fast, but I can definitely feel cool air coming out. Okay, now let's increase the speed. That's probably why it's going so slow. All right, now probably you could hear that. Let me move the mic. So it definitely does make a bit of a sound, but really not like any just regular laptop fan which turns on, you know. And now that I've turned it up, you can definitely feel the breeze. It's still really not that loud at all. You turn up. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. Let me see if I can actually bring my laptop down. So here's my my laptop. It's a 12-inch, 12 or 13-inch, and look at that. It actually fits exactly on the cooling pad. And once you actually put the laptop on the pad, the fans even sound like less, and you can feel the cold air blowing out from both sides. This is the side of my laptop which gets a little warmer when I'm using it, so it is blowing out a little bit more warm air from here, whereas on this side I'm just getting like the fan. But yeah, I'm so glad that it totally fits my laptop just like exactly. You know, just touching the bottom of my laptop after keeping it there for just like not even a minute, it was already cooler. So yeah, so this was a Lapcool 4. What was the company which made it? Vantec, here we go. Lapcool 4 by Vantec. And yeah, I'm really happy with this device, considering I paid like what was it, $11 or something for it. Really happy with it. I think it was 13, sorry, not 11. And you can turn it off, and when you fold this part in, I mean, look at that, look how small it becomes. Fold the legs away, look at that. I mean, you can see it, like my hands aren't even big, and this thing is, and it's not like some cheap plastic. It feels actually really good. Really happy with this product. So all right, let's move that aside. And the other item I got was this, which honestly I came across this and it was from the same seller, and I was actually looking for a cooling pad, laptop cooling pad, and this was in their store list. And at first I was confused because I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a cooling pad, but then I realized that it was actually a mouse pad, and it's kind of one of those gaming mouse pads. So here, like, you can see some of the things they have, like the tracking, CPI, accuracy, the glide. I actually appreciate the fact that they put like a 8 out of 10 for control and accuracy. I mean, they were honest about that. Oh, and a 7 out of 10 for optical performance. But either way, so the normal, I'm using a normal mouse pad, which is one of those kind of smaller ones, definitely a lot bigger. So this is the box, and let's see, can we get this out? Oh, all right, okay. So let's look at some stuff on the back first. So you can probably pause this and read it. I actually didn't see the back of this when I was buying the item, so I didn't see all these specs, but it sounds good. All right, let's open this up. And it is, like I said, by a company called CM Storm. Again, these things are like, you know, they look like they're brand new, unused items. Let me tell you how much I paid for this one. So I paid $12 for it was $11.99 and $1 to ship. So yeah, I kind of combine the price and the shipping together for these items because it's just kind of awkward. Like they charge $1 to ship this, and then they charge $11 to ship this, and the price tag on this one was like $3.99, and the price tag on this one was $11.99. So it looks like they're just splitting their costs between their shipping and the price. All right, okay, I guess I'm just ripping through this one. All right, so really well packaged, and looks like there's a cardboard piece, and here it is. Wow, look at that. So it has this non-slip bottom, and it's very rubberized, and definitely has that grippy texture to it. And this is just super smooth. It has some kind of design. It looks like it's the CM Storm logo on it. Now what I'm going to do is try try to get something to measure this so you can see how big it is. Alright, so I got myself a ruler here, and this thing measures 14 inches by 14 by just about a little over 10, 14 by 10. Now, just for comparison, I have like a regular a laptop, mouse pad, and you can see it fits into it. You can probably fit one. So actually this mouse pad actually is not even a traditional size mouse pad. This was custom made with a photo of my cat. So it is a little bigger. Now, one thing though is this mouse pad is pretty thick. This isn't really very thick though. You can see the thickness. Let's see if you can get a better view of that in comparison to the thickness of this. Yeah, it's not very thick, but I like the size of it. I prefer a bigger mouse pad, not for the smaller laptop. In fact, I'm going to start using this one for the smaller laptop, but for my 17-inch, which is on a desk, I kind of have a little side table where I keep my mouse, and this will kind of, you know, give me a lot more room to work with. So yeah, so these are the two items, the CM Storm mouse pad and this fan by Lapcool. I'm really happy with both these purchases. I mean, I didn't want to spend a lot, but I knew I needed a new laptop cooling pad, just because I've been using my laptop a lot now, being at home. And I'm really glad I stumbled across both these items. So thanks for watching, everyone. Be safe.